it's Martin Velson. I'm at 500 Wildwood Crescent, and this is 1,150 square foot, 2-bedroom and a den, 2-bathroom home on 1/3 of an acre, backs onto a big property right here. In addition to the home, this has got a little detached garage, workshop, studio. It's broken into 2 different spaces, but as you come through here, you can see it's really handy to have a space like this. It's got power to it. And this one's being used as kind of like a storage room, but it could be a ton of things. Let's go around a corner. We'll take a look at the other one. Kitchen opens up right into the den, but it's being used as a master bedroom. Nice living room, high vaulted ceilings, good use of wood. It's not too much, it's just nice. It adds a lot of warmth to it. Upstairs, 2 bedrooms and a bathroom.